Hi, I'm Muthuraman. I've been with ITC Infotech for the last 8 years. I joined as an associate consultant and currently I'm a technical lead consultant in our PLM practice. ITC Infotech is a leading global technology services and solution provider. In my role as a solution architect in the PLM team, I am part of our Industry 4.0 engagements, driving digital transformation for our global manufacturing clients. We truly represent the intersection of machine automation, process driven by real-time data, and technology-enabled workforces brought together with enterprise-wide connectivity. We are helping our clients win in the digital era. Industrial manufacturing companies develop, manufacture, and service some of the most complex and long-lasting products on earth. ITC Infotech's PLM team partners with clients to deliver value by accelerating product development and managing a wealth of product data in PLM.